Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the new L'Oreal Colorista Permanent Gel in the shade Violet. In the box you get the colouring gel, developer, conditioner, gloves and instructions. At the top it reminds you to wear your gloves and cover your shoulders. I don't always do this, but I really recommend you do with this dye because it will get everywhere. Once you've mixed the developer and gel together, shake the bottle well. You apply this colour to dry unwashed hair. Once you've saturated all of the desired hair, leave to develop for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes is up, add a small amount of water to the hair and lather the hair dye. This will make it easier to remove. Rinse your hair until the water runs clear, or as clear as you can get it, and then add the conditioner. This is supposed to last up to 6 uses, but for me it only lasts about 3. This is Cassandra's hair before I coloured it. As you can see, her hair is really long and it's quite thick, and this took 2.5 bottles to completely cover it. And this is her hair after. I think you'll agree that considering her hair started off really dark, it took on a really nice colour and it feels really soft and looks really healthy and shiny. When you're using this hair colour, you'll notice that when you're rinsing it out, your hair will feel really dry and frazzled. But don't worry, once you add the conditioner it makes it really soft. I've also reviewed this hair colour in the shade Dark Purple. If you're interested in that, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Let me know in the comments section if you've used this hair colour before and what you thought of it. If you're interested in seeing any other review videos, click the box on the left hand side of the screen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're interested in seeing any future videos, click the notification bell and you'll be notified as soon as they're uploaded. Thanks for watching. Bye!